wonderful session that everyone getting benefited, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it's good, ma'am. Honestly, it is a good journey, ma'am. I am also learned from you last 6 months. So keep on try. So that is the only thing motivate and appreciation. So hopefully this next session is appreciation. You told me, but you just now started that appreciation 5 minutes before itself. So it's feel very good. So whenever people start appreciating, no, internally you feel something good we need to perform. So we have to. Someone is believing us. We will do something sincerely. So because of that, definitely they will put some effort for contributing the things. Really, thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful session and support.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much.
I will keep on follow you, ma'am.
Definitely. Thank you, Ji.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Actually, this is, first of its kind to get to know about a program where we transform someone's lives for the whole year. So this is an amazing program, and hats off to Dr. Poorani for such a mind-blowing program. I'm not exaggerating anything because basically I'm a trainer and I do know about a lot of programs that is going around, and especially during this lockdown period. But still, she's taken a deep efforts to bring change in someone's lives. It's not an easy job to do it. You need a lot of time and thinking pattern to come out with a good program designed where people can change their lives at a very slow pace in their own space and time. So that is more important. It is not a rush program or a crash program. This program is being designed in such a way that even a small child, like a 15-year child to any elderly person, anyone can participate. Thank you so much once again.
So hoping to have a beautiful next 6 months. I'm hoping to have a lot of changes by practicing, consistently practicing it. I hope for a lot of changes in me, and I want to spread it to others also. Wonderful.
After joining this in this academic, I felt very happiest, ma'am. Previously, in my routine job, I feel that everything I don't know how to handle that. So now after joining this, I'm easily handling, and my interaction with other people also it will get benefitable. So I'm going to be continuous in further also in that case, in your journey.
Wonderful.
In your journey.